warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mutiara Asimawijaya and today I want to present part of my portfolio, which is the best reading report. Out of the 5 texts I read this semester, I chose a short story titled Thank You Ma'am by Langston Hughes as my best text. Let me start with the summary. The story is about a young boy named Rogers who tries to steal a purse from an old woman named Mrs. Jones. Instead of calling the police, Mrs. Jones catches Roger and takes him to her house. She makes him wash his face, cooks dinner from here, and talks to him kindly. She learned that Roger want money to buy blue suede shoes. Before Rogers leaves, Mrs. John gives him $10 to buy the shoes and asks him to behave well in the future. I really like this story because it is very easy to read and understand. The writer uses everyday English so I can read the whole pages without opening my dictionary all the time. This is a very good for me. Besides that, the characters feel like real people that we can meet on the street every day. I also like the plot of this story because the ending is very surprising and not boring. Usually in movies or others book, when a person becomes a victim of a crime, they will scream and become very angry and call the cops. But in this text, the old woman does something totally different. She is actually very nice, take the boy to her house and helps him. This cool story makes interesting from the beginning until the end. The story is quite short, but it gives a huge impact to the readers. And I chose this story as my favorite text because it has a very beautiful lessons about love and second chance. Mrs. Jones is very cool and wise woman that I really respect. She showed me that we do not need to use anger when someone makes a mistake. And she understands that Roger is not a bad criminal, but he is just poor and lonely boy who has no one at home to take care of him. And this story reminds me that a small act of kindness like sharing food, talking nicely, or giving a second chance can really change someone's life to be better. And sometimes people do bad things just because they are desperate, not because they are evil. After reading this story, it makes me want to think twice before judging other people. It also motivates me to be a much kinder and more patient person to my friend and everyone around me in my daily life. Now I will continue to the last part, which is my reflection essay. Taking the extensive reading class this semester has taught me many valuable things. I learned that learning English is not just about translating words, but also about understanding different cultures and life lessons. It showed me how to enjoy the story without feeling stressed about perfect grammar. And through the class, I realized that reading regularly can open my mind and make me a more empathetic person. Among the 5 texts I read, the story that influenced me the most is Thank You Ma'am by Langston Hughes. This story touched my heart deeply because of Mrs. Jones. Her kindness to Roger taught me that giving people a second chance is much better than punishing them. It made me think about how I treat others when they make mistakes in real life. And I can feel that my reading ability has improved a lot after this project. In the beginning, I read very slowly because I stopped at every difficult word, and now I can read faster because I can guess the meaning of words from the context. My vocabulary has also expanded. However, the journey was not always easy. The biggest challenge I overcame was staying focused when reading classic stories with old vocabulary like Jane Eyre. To solve this, I forced myself to read in a quiet room, and I also use a dictionary only for keywords that repeated often. In the future, I want to my reading habit by reading and to read at least 15 minutes every night before bed, and I will also find good recommendation my this that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.